These are the unwritten rules of succeeding in your first corporate job. 1. Don't be afraid to ask what acronyms stand for and make a little guide for yourself. 2. Introduce yourself and talk to people in many departments. You might be one of the lucky few with a great supportive manager, but in other cases, you just never know where that great lifelong mentor will come from. And plus, this will give you a good, well-rounded understanding of the company and open up more potential promotion opportunities. When you're assigned a task, repeat back what you understood. It helps you understand it more clearly, and it helps them make sure they didn't miss a detail that might be obvious to them, but not to a new employee like you. When you write things down in detail, it helps you complete your work without embarrassingly needing to go back to the person and ask them what they said. And it also gives you an opportunity to go back and study what you wrote down to get better and better at it. There's nothing to be gained by trying to show off your memory. Communicate a lot about the status of your work before being asked. Even if you're making good progress, you'll never get credit for it unless leadership is aware. And believe me, no one else is going to be looking out for you trying to brag on your behalf, so be proactive. On the other hand, also learn how to be quiet and listen. An opportunity to learn a bunch of stuff from more seasoned and experienced people at your new company. No matter how far away your task deadline is, start immediately and email your manager as soon as you're done, even if it's far away from the deadline. Believe me, I do this as a little trick because I would forget to do the task if I wait to do it later, but it has the added benefit that it makes you look really good to your manager when you're being really proactive and finishing things more quickly than he or she expects. Set a realistic expectation with your boss on how much you're going to travel and how much overtime you're willing to do. Your job should never interfere with your personal life. And then take full advantage of your company's benefits: 401k, routine medical and dental checkups, flexible spending accounts, commuting stipends, internet stipends. And lastly, try to stay for at least 2 years. It looks better on your resume when you demonstrate loyalty, and that's enough time for you to learn the new system and make meaningful contributions. On the other hand, don't stay too long. You don't want to get stagnant doing the same job for too long and not growing in your career path.